Day in, day out, you're there with your travel mug. I'm wrestling my front door, still fighting the same old lock. You're cool as a cucumber, key spin, coffee doesn't spill. You laugh same morning, neighbor, and somehow my whole street chills. And I pretend I'm running late so you can walk beside me. You talk about your pockets thing, I nod like, yeah, that's my scene. Day in, day out, we're lining up. Same cracked sidewalk, same old bus. It's low-key strange how this feels legit, like a life I almost lived. Let me leave out all my doubts, let my smile just spell it out. Day in, day out, I'm falling every time you call my name. You're cool as a cucumber, when my earbuds hit the drain, you fish them out, shrug it off, say happens to me every day. You ask if I've had breakfast, I joke, does coffee count? You split your granola bar, say here, I got the discount. And there's that pause on 7th Street, where we both stop our talking. I kinda hope the light stays red, so we keep on walking. Day in, day out, we're lining up. Same cracked sidewalk, same old bus. It's low-key strange how this feels legit, like a life I almost lived. Let me leave out all my doubts, let my smile just spell it out. Day in, day out, I'm falling every time you call my name. Every time you call my name. Every time you call my name. Let me leave out what I rehearsed, just say stay here after work. We could walk past our old route, see what this is all about. Hearts all jumpy, you're still calm, cool as a cucumber, arm in arm. Day in, day out, we're lining up. Same cracked sidewalk, same old bus. It's kinda wild how this feels legit, like a script we